Hi, I am Deepak, CEO of ROBOTRONIX Automation. We provide all machine vision, computer vision and robotic solutions in our company. So we always believe in innovative technical engineering products that creates the bridge between the complex robotics and seamless factory automation system to create an efficiency in their mission. So this provides more quality of products and clients be very happy on our products, and probably Robotronics is the only company which had our products over 20 stalls of vendors using our products in their stall. So we are happy to be one of the prime distributors of HIC and MechMind in Chennai and south region of Tamil Nadu. So kindly do visit our stall. This is the last day left, one more day left. So kindly do visit our stall, C29. Thank you.